Hello, I'm David Eaton. I'm a client partner at Maytech.
Hello, I'm Fraser Trickett. I'm also a client partner at Maytech.
Maytech Housing Repairs is a brand new approach to making the reporting of repair for a housing tenant easier. And it's built on user-centered design. It's really intuitive and easy to use. A really simple issue diagnosis that makes for accurate triaging of non-urgent reports.
So what we've done in this area is engaged with real tenants. And by that, I'm talking about people that actually live in council properties that have to log repairs day to day. We've engaged with different spectrums of people with digital literacy needs, people with accessibility needs, and people from different cultures and backgrounds. What we've done with that information is feed all of that into the design of the product and made those iterations based on that genuine feedback. The number one frustration and friction point from residents for accessing current council services with the over 100 that we spoke to was that having to remember a username and password to log a repair was the number one barrier to them doing that online.
So we think the SaaS products are good choices for local authorities because they are easy to adopt and they're easy to roll off of. They're very easy to deploy. And they're affordable as well, because we know that councils are really suffering.
So there's two real key elements that are customizable by you as the authority, and that is the colours and the CSS on here. So you can do things like your own logo, own branding on there. More importantly is the triage system. You can add in your own schedule of rates to each of those endpoints. There's over 2,000 schedule of rates in the NatFed book, and councils quite often create their own versions of that too. So all of those elements are customizable. I think it is worth calling out that we don't allow customization of the elements that we have tested with users. So the language and tone in there it is part of the reason that we control that and deploy that through SaaS, so that you are always benefiting from that latest feedback from residents.